Hi there, in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can automatically create remote Git branches in GitHub or in GitLab. It's basically the same process. It doesn't matter whether you're using GitHub or GitLab. So I've got a project here locally, and if I do Git branch, you're going to see the branches that I have. I have default, automatic, and shortcut, right? If I come over to GitHub over here, I have main and website v1. So if I wanted to push any of these branches to GitHub, so let me check out to default, for example. The default way to do this, which is why I named the branch that way, is to do git push set upstream origin, then default. To be honest, this looks pretty long, but this is the default way of doing this. If I press enter and I come back to GitHub and I refresh, you would see that this branch is now created for me, and I have the default branch, which is essentially the default way of creating new remote branches, right? There is, however, a shortcut to doing this. If I come over to Git checkout shortcut, then you can Git checkout shortcut. You can basically do git push u origin head, and you'll see that if I come back here now and I check here and I do shortcut, that is now created for me. But I have a little bit of a problem, and that's the fact that it feels repetitive for me that every single time that I need to create a remote branch, I have to do git-u origin or head and stuff like that. But luckily, there's a feature that ships with Git that actually allows you to automatically create remote branches when you create a new branch locally. And the way it works is just do git config and say push.auto setup remotes and set the value to true. Press enter. Now, if I do git checkout automatic, which is my automatic branch, I can just do git push, press enter. And if I come back here and I refresh, I now have an automatic branch on GitHub. Thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe as a form of support to the channel. Drop a like and drop some comments in the comment section. If you have any questions or any video that you'd like me to make, please drop them in the comment section as well. Bye for now, and don't forget to build like a boss.